Hello everyone. In this video, I would like to talk about one of the important points in a triangle, which is incenter. Let's start with drawing a triangle. I would like to insert the largest circle inside this triangle. The largest circle inside this triangle. And that circle should be tangent to each side. The largest circle inside the triangle. And this circle is called incircle. Tangent to the sides of the triangle, incircle. And the center of this circle is in center of the triangle, in center. How we can locate this point? And to explain this, we need to explain angle bisector theorem. Let's have an angle X, Y, and Z. Let's cut this angle in half. Draw the angle bisector. Let's this Y K ray is bisect the angle Y, angle bisector. Angle bisector theorem states that angle bisector theorem states that whenever we pick a point on this angle bisector, point P, and if we draw the perpendicular distance to the rays of the angle, let's say PM is the perpendicular to YZ, also PN is perpendicular to YX, and perpendicular bisector theorem guarantees that PM must be congruent to PN. PM is congruent to PN. Why is that? We can explain using triangle congruency. We are having two right triangles here, the right triangle YNP, the green triangle, and the right triangle YMP, the yellow right triangle. And two of the angles are the same because we are having right angles, and also there is an angle bisector. The third angle also must be the same in the triangles. The third angle is, this angle must be congruent to this angle. And since these two right triangles share hypotenuse from angle side angle congruency, the two triangles must be congruent. Then we can claim that corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent, and NP corresponds in the green triangle to PM. So these two line segments must be congruent. All right, now after explaining this, let's have a triangle and locate the incenter of this triangle. What we are gonna do is, let's do this ABC triangle. We are gonna draw angle bisector. Let's draw the angle bisector from angle B. Let's draw a red for that. Red ray is cutting the angle B in half. Cutting the angle B in half. This is angle B in half. Also, we have, let's say, this yellow ray cutting the angle C in half. Angle bisector for angle C. And they intersect at one point. That point is the intersection point from the angle bisector. The perpendicular distance to, let's say this point is I, perpendicular to distance to BC must be congruent to perpendicular distance to BA because of the red angle bisector. Also, the perpendicular distance from I to AC, they all must be congruent. And let's say these points are M, N, and P. Now we can draw a circle. The center is I, the radius is IM inside the triangle. Passing through P, N, and M. We can draw a circle. Center is I, radius is IM. Just in center, the largest circle fits in this triangle. All right, let's write now the incenter, the location of incenter is the intersection of angle bisectors is the incenter. Incenter in a triangle is in center in a triangle is the intersection of angle bisectors. Triangle angle bisectors. And this point is equidistant to each side of the triangle. Incenter is equidistant to the sides of the triangle. Lastly, let's construct this incenter in GeoGebra. All right, let's have a triangle. And then we need angle bisectors. Angle bisector for angle A, angle bisector for angle B, and they intersect at one point. That point is the incenter of the triangle. Now we need to figure out the radius of the circle. We have the center. To find the radius, we have to draw a perpendicular line from the incenter to one of the sides. Let's draw the side AB, and that cuts the AB side at point E. And now the radius of the circle is DE. Now draw a circle from D to E. Observe that this circle is perfectly fits inside the triangle. If I change the triangle, it is always inside the triangle. In circle is the largest circle we can fit inside in a triangle. All right, this is the end of the video. We talked about incenter, and we will continue talking about the other important points in future videos in the triangle. Thank you for watching.